Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix crash error during map loading on Counter-Strike 2. So let's begin. So here we are in our desktop, and the first thing that we would need to do is that we must ensure that our graphics card driver is up to date. So if you're using an NVIDIA, then you would need to search here GeForce, but in my case I have AMD graphics card, so I'll be searching here AMD right here so that I can access the AMD software, or if you're in NVIDIA, you need to access the NVIDIA software. And you want to go here into the home, and you can see the driver and software right here. Actually, I can download it right now, so I have an update available, but I will not be downloading this since I don't have an error. But in your case, since you are facing this error, then I highly suggest that you download this driver right here. And once you have downloaded it, it would automatically install. And then the next thing is that once you have done that and the problem is still not fixed, then what I suggest is you also check if you have an updated OS right here. So you go for check for updates or Windows update in your system, and you want to make sure that you don't have any major updates pending right here. And if you have some, then I suggest that you get it checked, or you get it up to date, download and install it right away. And after that, what you want to do is that you want to verify the game files. So what you want to do is go into your Steam. So now once you're here on Steam, you want to go into your library and you want to locate the Counter-Strike 2 right here, Counter-Strike 2 game. And from here, you want to right click and then go into properties and then go into installed files. And from here, you want to go and verify integrity of game files right here. Click on it right here so that it would start verifying, and all you have to do now is wait for it to finish. And once there is no error, then there's nothing to be done here. But if you have faced some errors right here, for example, it detected some errors in the files, then you need to solve it, and you should just follow the next steps right here, or you can just reinstall your Counter-Strike 2. So uninstall it, then install it again. And also, you want to make sure that you are meeting the CS2 game requirements. So you can just see it right here, and you want to go into Steam right here and Steam, and right here Counter-Strike 2, and from here you can see the minimum requirements and make sure that your computer meets these requirements right here. And after that, you want to just go and test it out and see if the problem has been fixed. That's basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.